Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable reader mode in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Yandex applications, and after if you wanna enable it for the reader mode, you just have to go ahead to the sites first. For example, here I'm gonna open any sites. For example, in this site, if you want to enable it for the reader mode, just go ahead to this three dots icon at the bottom. I'm gonna tap on it. We'll find out here the option which is enable reader mode. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and it will be look like this, I guess. It will serve only for the important things that we can read from the sites. So yeah, simply if you wanna enable or disable it again, just tap on this reader mode icon here, guys, beside the search bar. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.